You can create a multiple text animation in just one click. First, select the type tool and type your text and do specific adjustment to text. Now go to Effects panel and search for Text Animator. This effect lets you create the multiple text animations easily. Drag the effect onto your text and then go to Effects panel. Click on Presets and you will see different animation options like Fade, Scale, Fly. Try them out, they look super smooth and professional. You can also fine tune the animation using the graph here. And that's it. I post quick Premiere tutorials for Reels and Shorts. Check out this playlist and subscribe and enjoy for daily editing tips.